Hello, today we'll introduce one very special lifting equipment. This is garbage crane trolley. For garbage crane, it's mainly used in waste-to-energy power station. And for this trolley, we are using two-layer design. You can see this is the bottom trolley. And this is the second trolley. Between the two layers, there have 4 points weighing system, which can improve the weighing accuracy to 0.5 to 1%. And now let's introduce each part of the trolley. This is the 3-in-1 gear motor or gearbox for the cross-traveling mechanism. This is a hardened gear reducer. For the trolley, this one lifting mechanism, we use two reducers. All are hardened gears. And this is the brakes, hydraulic brakes. We are using Chinese top brand, ZPMC brand. And this is the lifting motors. The protection class is IP55, and the installation class is H class, which is very suitable in working in a very harsh environment. And you can see there are three drums. Two of them are using for lifting the hydraulic grabs. They're we're using on this two drums, and the third drum is using for hydraulic grab cables. And the third drum and second drum and third drum are connected by chains. When the lifting up and down, it can make sure the two drums can rotating at the same time to avoid the cable broken. For garbage crane in China, we have very professional technical team and very professional technical team. For the main parts like a reducer, lifting motor, and brakes, we can accept customer required brands. And also, we are Chinese manufacturer. We can give you very competitive price and technical support. If you need this type of crane for the environmental protection, please contact with us. We will send you a complete solutions. Thank you.